In this video, we are going talking about Israel versus Palestine. In this video, we will now means what happened uh, one day with Israel with the Palestine. Okay, through theory, through text, we we will try to know. Okay, so without a time waste, let's start. Let's understand. And here are given some sentences. Okay, about this topic. The entire world, completely world has parted into two groups. Okay, into two group means first side our Israel and second side our Palestine. So overall we look at here, but completely world has divided into two parts. One side Israel and second side Palestine. What is exactly happened? And our question, it's our question. Okay, and we will understand what is exactly happened there and who is at wrong and who is at right. With this, we will see. We will understand. 7th October 2023, it's a date, and 7th October 2023 was a significant date, means important date. It was a significant date, it was a important date. And you will say uh, what a significant day, how is a significant day, how was a significant day. Okay, I will tell you, I shall tell you, was a significant day for the people of Israel. Here are saying people of Israel. This date, 7th October 2023, was a significant date, but for the people of Israel, not Palestinians. And for the people of Israel who belongs to the, here are given caste, okay, no religion, whatever, whatever, whatever people, means the people of Israel who belongs to the Judaism religion, means it's religion. As you are religion, you have a religion. Okay, so people of Israel and these people belongs to the Judaism religion. On this day, now we are going on topic. Okay, on this day, the Jewish people, means these people. Okay, people of Israel. The Jewish people came together. Whatever was people was available in the community, in the group. Okay, so Jewish people come together and read their holy text. Means it's it was it was what it was a, you can say, work for this people. And okay, so these people come together and read their holy text, because this matter holy text and came together. So why came together? Why came together? Because this day, this day, people of Israel, this day was significant day. Okay, means what? People of Israel, means Jewish people, came together and read their holy text in the, you can say, judicial religion. Okay, judicial religion. It was on that day an organization named Hamas. Hamas launched 5,000 rockets. And now you will say, you will ask me, what is Hamas is what? Who are this person? Okay, I will I will tell you. We will discuss about it in the next slide about it, because related to this Hamas word are given in the next slides. Okay, but here are given in one word. Here are here are given, here are highlighted. An organization named means it was on that day means 7th October 2023. This was the date. An organization named Hamas launched 5,000 rockets on Israel people. On Israel people. Okay. On Israel. Here are given. Okay. So here you are looking what Hamas. This Hamas named person attacked on Israel people, and as well as what whereas what this person attacked on Israel, and this date Israel person came together and read their holy text. That's why this was important date for the people of Israel. Okay, got it? Not just rockets means Hamas people attacked not through rockets. Also they attacked means Hamas attacked using all the possible ways means how much was possible waves this person had. So this person used used all the possible waves, including trucks, motorcycles, bulldozers, and even paragliders. Means fly through fly. Person can land. Okay, on land. Okay. So here we are clear what Hamas launched 5 year rockets on Israel people. Okay, but not only through rockets. Hamas attacked on Israel. Also, they attacked using all the possible waves. Means whatever this person had through that possible waves, what attacked on Israel people, including truck, motorcycles. Means through this possible, through these waves, bulldozers and even paragliders, through this waves, Hamas attacked on these people, Israel people. Imagine on your most means okay. I am telling you, imagine on your most significant day means your significant date. Okay, you can say your maybe your birthdays. Okay, your birthdays. So imagine on your birthdays, your birthdays. Okay, some random people are landing in paragliders, means through fly way. People are landing. Okay, shooting down at the people. What I'm telling you, I said you what on your birthday date, some random people are landing in paragliders and shooting down at the people, literally like a video game. Then what you will do? What you will do? How traffic would that be? Can you imagine how traffic would that be? And what happened with the Israel people on this date? On this date, what happened? Can you imagine? Okay, let's see what happened on this date and what is happening on current. Okay. Okay, till here we are clear. Like literally like a video game means literally like a video game. This was keeping. This was keeping. And here are given how traffic would that be. Can we explain? Can we feel? Okay, this feeling. That's what happened to Israel on that day. Means important significant date. This Hamas person attacked on Israel person. Okay. Here are saying that's what happened. That's what happened to Israel on that day. Already we are clear. Next see. Let's understand. Around 700 Israelis and 370 Palestinians. Because if you look at in your in look at mind map, no map world map, then you will see what Israel and Palestine are located is located what in between. Okay, means Palestine is located uh, between Israels. Okay, through map you can decide. Okay, around 700 Israels and 320 Palestinians were killed on that day. Means this date 700 Israels and 320 Palestinians were killed on that day, and thousands of people got injured. Means some people means 1,020 people were killed, but thousands of people got injured on this date. But question is how Israel are included in this matter, means matter of killed, because Israel country and Palestine country are included between, you can say, mix area. In mixed area, this country are included. Okay, the government, and if you want to understand to clarify, then you can understand to map of world. Okay, the government of Israel immediately declared a state of emergency. Means government of Israel, whatever was president of Israel, no, prime minister of Israel, and on this date, whoever was prime minister of Israel country, so this government immediately declared a state of emergency and officially recognized it as a war. Means this person, means this prime minister immediately declared it as a war. Okay, recognized it as a war. Okay, but who are these Hamas? Questions ours till here we are clear. But after this we have a lot of question. But and lot of question are. But who are these Hamas? Means here named Hamas launched 5,000 rockets on Israel. So question is who is this person? Okay, who is this person? So who are these Hamas and why are they attacking on Israel? It's our questions, because in short, in word, we discussed whatever we discussed. So in short about Hamas, we saw. But now we will discuss also what about Hamas, means who are this Hamas and why are they attacking on Israel. Okay, in the next slide we will discuss about it. Whatever will come, then we will discuss. Let's discuss and let's understand about it. Means continue. Okay, to be continue. To understand, means our question was what who are Hamas people. Okay, who are Hamas and why are they attacking on Israel country. Okay, so this is it's our question. Who are Hamas people? Why these Hamas people are attacking on Israel country? To understand that, we need to, means if we want to understand, then we need to know about the history of that land. Means whatever problem related to land. So we need to know about the history of that land. And here are given, we need to know the history of that land. Okay. So today I am going, means today I am telling you what about this. So now we are going talking about the history of that land. It's about the history of that land, because through this land are 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 raising issue. Okay, between two countries, between a lot of countries. Okay, so we are going talking about the history of that land. This and in simple way possible. Okay, Jerusalem, which is located in the Middle East, means through world map, if we will see through world map, then we will see what this means Jerusalem. Jerusalem is located in the Middle East. Okay, Middle East. Is one of the oldest cities in the world. Means Jerusalem is the religion already we are clear. And here are given through understanding of located of this Jerusalem. So Jerusalem is located in the Middle East, and also it's the oldest cities in the world. Okay, and already we are clear what Jerusalem is the region. Okay, a region. Okay, which is considered to be a holy pilgrimage by three major religions. First is Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. So here we are noticing what it's one of the oldest cities in the world, which is considered to be a holy pilgrimage by three major religions: Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Okay, okay. Jerusalem is the place where Christ spent his adulthood. Means Jerusalem is the place. Okay, Jerusalem is the place. As we discussed, what Jerusalem is located in the Middle East. So Jerusalem is the place, and this place that's the place these people spent our adulthood. Okay, and these people was this people was crucified at the end of his life. Here are given what this place that's a place where these people spent our his adulthood and was crucified at the end of his life. The Bible mentions as we have Gita and other people have Quran. So here have what the Bible, and Bible mentions what Jerusalem what Jerusalem for 800 times. How many times? 800 times. And says that the Lord has chosen. We are not chosen. Okay, we has not chosen. But the Lord has chosen, means God has chosen Jerusalem, and will there forever. Okay. So here you notice what you did notice what it's a place, and that's a place where this person spent his adulthood, their adulthood, and was crucified at the end of his life. Was crucified. So this word you can understand, crucified at the end of his life. And other side, Bible mentions what is Jerusalem for 800 times, and say times mention Jerusalem for 800 times, and say that what the God has chosen the Jerusalem and will dwell. Therefore, we are people. Whatever are people in the world in this stage. So we have not chosen Jerusalem. Rather, the God has chosen Jerusalem. Okay. According to Quran, according to Bible, we saw. Now, according to Quran, Jerusalem was the place where the Prophet Muhammad visited before he went to heaven. Okay. So according to Quran, what here are saying, Jerusalem was the place. Okay. Already we are clear about it. Means Jerusalem is a place. Was the place where the Prophet Muhammad, means this person visited before he went to heaven. Okay. In Jerusalem, it's believed. believed in Jerusalem. It's believed that is what that their first temple, as we have a temple, okay. So their first temple was established in Jerusalem. Already we are clear what Jerusalem is the place, and uh, what Jerusalem person's first temple was established in this on this place in Jerusalem. Now let's keep this aside. Means about it, whatever we have discussed through through this, let's keep this aside. Okay. And now we are looking where the conflict originally what started. Okay. Where the conflict originally started. We have discussed what about place of Jerusalem. It's a place, and the Jerusalem person spent your life, spent your adulthood, and after 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 many times, this person was crucified at the end of his life. The Bible here are two given. What the Bible mentions about Jerusalem means Jerusalem for for 800 times mentioned. Okay. And this the Bible say that the Lord has chosen, not we have chosen. Okay. Jerusalem. And now, according to Quran, Jerusalem was the place where this person visited before he went to heaven. Okay. And in Jerusalem, it's believed that the first temple is compulsory point for each religion person. Okay. So it's believed that their first temple was established in Jerusalem. So it's a proof through this person can say what it's our rent. Okay. Now okay. And whatever we have discussed, so about all it, we keep this aside and look at where the conflict originally started. Okay. We all know what about Hitler. We already all people already know what how Hitler treated the Jewish, Jewish. Okay. And here we will not discuss about Hitler completely. No. In short, we will see. Okay, about Hitler. So already we know. If you don't want about Hitler treated with the Jews, then you can now through internet, through your study. We all know how Hitler treated the Jews and how the genocide happened. Okay. So till this sentence, what this sentence say? What how Hitler treated with the Jewish people. But the thing is, point is what? It was not just it was not just Hitler, means only Hitler this treated with the Jews did not didn't only Hitler. No, we can't say. It was not just Hitler, but a sect of a Christianity. A sect of, you can say, a member of a Christianity had always issue, had this person had always issue with the Jewish. Okay. And here are clear, but not only this person was, okay, not only this person was, through this person was treated with this person, Jewish person. Also, through a sect, a member of Christianity, this was treated with the Jewish people. So, member of sect of Christianity had always issue with the Jewish. Okay. It's a problem. Jews, because they believed that the Jews also means this person and Hitler. What this person believed that the Jewish person also wanted to crucify, crucify Jesus Christianity. Okay, so this person failed. Okay, this person means a sect of Christianity and also Hitler person. Hitler person means the Jews also wanted to crucify Jewish Christian, and also and almost 1,000 year ago, a large number of Jews were killed by the Christians. Yeah, here what we discussed what sect of Christianity was treated with the these people with the Jewish people. So here are given what a large number means almost 1,000 of year ago. Okay, ago means in past we are discussing. So almost 1,000 year ago, a large number of Jews were killed by one by one, by the Christian people. Okay. So in a short we will discuss about it as we say what in summary. Through summary we will discuss about it. To understand that we need to know the history of that land. Means we can say means through land these issue are arising. Okay, so we need to know about the history of land. Okay, and today means whatever we have discussed. So Jerusalem, Jerusalem is located in the Middle East. If we see on world map, then we will see what is Jerusalem is located in the Middle East. Okay, and it's one of the oldest cities in the world, because in history are mentioned about it. Jerusalem, what is Jerusalem is one of the oldest cities in the world, which is considered to be a holy pilgrimage by three major religions. So pilgrimage by three major religions means Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. This say what Jerusalem is the what holy pilgrimage. Okay, Jerusalem is the place. It's a place. Okay, already we discussed it. Jerusalem is the place where Jewish Christian means these are people. Okay, so these people have spent our adulthood, and after some time was crucified. What crucified at the end of his life. So the Bible mentions, and here we will see what about the Bible and about the Quran. So the Bible mentions Jerusalem for 800 times. Okay, and say that what the Lord means God has chosen Jerusalem, not we have chosen. Okay, so Lord has chosen Jerusalem. It's our proof. Means we can say through this history. Okay. So the God has chosen Jerusalem and will dwell therefore forever. According to Quran. Now we see what according to Quran. Jerusalem was the place where the this person, Prophet Muhammad, visited before he went to heaven. In Jerusalem means in Jerusalem place, it's a believer that their first temple means Jewish person, you can say this person, temple of this person. Okay, temple of this person. So it's a believer that their first temple was established in Jerusalem place. Now and whatever we discussed, so about it we keep this aside. Okay, and now we look at what where the conflict originally means whatever we are trying to know what is originally conflict started. Okay, we all know already we know about Hitler, and but it's our problem. What is our problem? We already know how Hitler treated with the Jesus and how the genocide happened. But point is not only just Hitler. Also, you can say, but through history, a sect of a Christianity, a member of a Christianity, what had always issue with the Jews, What I am telling you, I am telling you, here are given means through history. What if we think what only Hitler treated with the Jews as a unequally, as a discriminate, then we are wrong. How? We can say what also a sect of a member of a Christianity, this person treated treated with this person as a inequality and as a undiscriminated. Okay, so here clear, here so okay, because they believed that the Jews also wanted to crucify, as we discussed. What Jewish Christian spent his adulthood, and after sometimes this person crucified at the end of his life. Means your life is crucified at the end. So here, this member of a person, and Hitler believed what the Jewish person also wanted to crucify Jewish Christian. So this point, this person think, think, and almost 1,000 of year ago, if we think what 1,000 of year ago, then a large number of Jews were killed by Christian, because a misinformation, through due to a misinformation, means this person believed what this Jews wanted to crucify. And here we did notice what about misinformation. Okay, Jewish person have your own religion on your work, but other side this person think maybe this work can be, maybe, okay, but how we can say this person is right, this person was wrong, this person is right, this person was wrong? How we can say? Because on your own side is on your waves is right, okay, but some issues, some aspects, some proof, some evidence is remain. In next slide, we will discuss about it. Means whatever will come, then we will discuss. Next slide. Okay, let's next slide. So as we discussed in previous slides, now we are going talking about it. So for a long time, okay, a long time, there had always been some kind of issue with the issue between two communities. But Christian always had an upper hand, as upper hand you will see. Okay, you may see. But Christian always had an upper hand, and Jews were the ones who had always suffered. Okay, means whatever we have discussed. So we did notice what Jewish people about Jewish people suffered. Okay, so Jews were the ones who had always suffered. Okay, Christian always had an upper hand, but Jews were the ones who had always suffered. And in the next slide, you will realize what about Jews. Jews each strong at the present time. You will realize. So in the 19th century, okay, Jewish realized means Jews suffered, okay, for a long time. And in 19th century, Jews realized what that we need to form their own country. Just realize it. Why? Because this person were suffering for a long term, had been suffering for a long term. So this person think what we need to do from their own country. Okay, that's it. Because whenever they go, means whenever this Jewish person go, wherever this person go, then they are means Jewish person are being persecuted means you can say what tortured, okay, tortured. So this person are being tortured for their religions, for their religions, but whatever this person have religions. So whatever this person have religion, so through this religion, uh, this person are being prescribed for their religion by people. Okay, so this is the reason these people decided what to form their own country. Okay, so Jewish people from all across Europe means in Europe country, whoever person means belongs to mm, Judaism religion. So whoever was living in Europe country, so all Jewish person were migrating. Okay, where all across means Jewish people from all across Europe started migrating to Palestine country. Okay, so because this person are being tortured, so this person decide we need to form their own country. So what if whoever person are living in Europe country, so I am saying all of Jewish people, you need to migrate to Palestine. So started. So Jewish people from all across started migrating to Palestine, which was then being ruled by the Ottoman Empire. Means in Palestine country, by this Ottoman Empire was being ruled as this 1947 our date Independence Day. So before this date 1947 what we were dependent on other means you can say British Empire means British Empire were being ruled on our person, okay, on our country. So in Palestine country, this Ottoman Empire was being ruled. Okay. Now question is why only Palestine country this Jewish person were selected through this person were selected Palestine were selected by this person. Why question is, and because this place is a safe, this place was a safe for this person. Okay, now through this text we try to understand because that's where the Jerusalem is. Means in Palestine we see what Jerusalem is place in Palestine country. Okay, so this person wanted what to migrating in Jerusalem place, and Jerusalem place is located in Palestine. Okay, because why this person selected Palestine? So our answer is because that's where the Jerusalem is. And about Jerusalem, we already have discussed. Means its place. Okay, its place. So why Palestine? Because these Jewish people means these Jewish people realized means our Jerusalem place is a safe place. We can live as peacefully in Jerusalem So we decided what we are migrating in Jerusalem place, which is the holiest city for the Jewish people. Okay, for a few decades, means for many decades, all the people in the Ottoman Empire lived peacefully. Means as we discussed, what Palestine country uh, was being ruled by the Ottoman Empire. So for a few decades, all the people were living in the Ottoman Empire. Okay, all people lived in the Ottoman Empire as a peacefully. But now conflict will arise. How? Then see. And then the First World War happened. Means as Ottoman Empire left it, they left it to Palestine country. So this date was what First World War happened. The Ottoman Empire was defeated by the British. Means now British Palestine are being ruled by the British Empire. Okay, because British the Ottoman Empire the British defeated Ottoman Empire. So if Ottoman Empire defeated British, then Ottoman Empire uh, what Ottoman Empire ruled on Palestine country. But here, as we saw, what the Ottoman Empire defeated, the Ottoman Empire was defeated by the British. So now British can rule on Palestine country. Okay. So British in the First World War, as we discussed, what this time First World War happened. Okay, and our Ottoman Empire means Ottoman Empire of Palestine was defeated by the British in the First World War, and the British took control over the Palestine. And now we will see through British control on Palestine, how how British how British was keep rule on this Palestine country. Okay. Then in 1993, that is compulsory for understanding. Then in 1993, Hitler came to power. Means one side in Germany country, Hitler came to power. As we discussed, what how Hitler uh, how Hitler treated with the Jewish person. So this date was what Hitler came to power, and we all know what he did, means what Hitler did to with the Jewish person, as we saw in one sentence in the previous slide, and here are given what this date was. This person came to power, and already we all know what this Hitler person did with the Jewish person. Okay, he literally means Hitler literally identified every single Jewish person. You are looking, you can feel this person. How was this person difficult? Okay, means you can say uh, heart of stone. This person have heart of a stone. Okay, when this person came to power, this did so. This person identify every single Jewish person and tortured this person. Means tortured this Jewish person. Okay, them to death. Around 6 million Jews means this Hitler department community identify around 6 million Jewish person, and around 6 million Jews were killed during Hitler's period. Now you can feel how these people was feeling. This person was feeling in Hitler periods. 6 million number is not less, you can say. 6 million person, it's a person, okay. And point is what? Point is what? When this person came to power, and first target of this person was what? Identify, to identify of this person. And uh, and as this department means, you can say, this community of this person will identify every single Jewish person, around 6 million person, this person of Hitler identify, okay. And after identify after identify this person, this this person were killed during Hitler periods. So you can say this person were killed by Hitlers. Okay. So again, a huge number of Jewish population migrated to the Palestine to save their lives. As we discussed, what whoever means Jewish people, how many people are living in Europe country as a Jewish people, okay. Jewish people are living in Europe country. So I want to migrate you in Jerusalem place. I want. So okay, Europe, in Europe country, this person whatever were living and migrated to Palestinian country. But in Germany country, already 6 million Jews were killed by Hitler, and this whatever was remain. So this a huge number of Jewish population decided what to migrate. So Jewish population migrated to Palestine because each person love your life. Okay, each person wanted to live your life. So why this person want to be want migrate to Palestine to your life? So a huge number of after this with apart from this number of Jewish person was remain a huge number, as we saw, a huge number of Jewish population migrated to Palestine to save their lives. Now you can feel the situation of this population, this Jewish population, because with this person were treated as a death, as a tortured, as a discriminated. Means you cannot say this was a discriminated. Okay. Next, then in the Second World War, already we have discussed First World War. Through this text, through this history text, we now we can know what happened in the history time. Okay. Then in the Second World War, the British court defeated and resigned their control on Palestine. Okay, our Palestinians. So in the Second World War, because this British were ruling on Palestine, but this British got defeated and resigned, means resigned of your control on Palestine. So resigned their control over Palestine. But by that time, means through time to time, by that time, both Palestinians and Jews started fighting each other. Okay, means because lack of you can say lack of control power. Okay, on a country, So after this British defeated time to time, Palestine and Jewish people started fighting with each other. Why? Question is why? Because this person were demanding their from their own country. Okay, their own country. Now we will realize what to form their own country. Okay, and here we can understand what first rule on Palestine, who was ruling Ottoman Empire. But in First World War, Ottoman Empire was defeated by the British Empire. But in the Second War, British got defeated, and this British resigned their control on Palestine, our Palestine. But here, nobody is nobody is a ruler person. Okay, nobody is a ruler person. So whatever was living in a Palestinian country, so Palestinians person, and because the Jewish person uh, were migrated through Europe country, through Germany country. So in a Palestinian country, these two person started fighting with each other. And why? Question is why? Because this person want to your own country. Okay. So I hope you got it because without a time waste, we will discuss in the next slide. Whatever will come, then we will discuss. It's our last. Okay. We are talking about in the next slide, as we discussed in previous slide. Okay. Now the means now we are going talking about United Nation. Okay. Means United Nation is compulsory for each country. For each country, United Nation is compulsory. Now the United Nation means we are going talking about the intervene of United Nation in between two communities, between some countries, along some countries, means Palestinian countries and Israel countries, Egypt, Gaza Strip, okay, West Bank, okay. So we will discuss about United Nation intervene of United Nation in along with this country. Now the United Nations intervened in the issue, means whatever was arising between two communities, between two countries. So this United Nations intervened in this matter, in this issue, and partitioned means separated. So partitioned the country into two parts, one for Muslims and one for Jewish people. Because as we discussed, so problem was between two people, means Christians are living people who this types of people and this types of people, because in country, on Palestinian country, nothing person were ruling, okay, on Palestinian country. So now we see role of United Nations. So United Nations what did? United Nations partitioned the country into two parts, one for these types of people and one for these types of people. Because these two types of people were living in a Palestinian country. Okay, I feel, means in my opinion, I feel the United Nations never really looked out of to solve the problem. Means United Nations never seen what to solve the problem. Means whatever was arising problem in Western countries. So only the United Nation role of United Nation was to separate. Okay, between two these communities. Okay, so as we saw what, as we are saying what separated of two countries. So I feel the United Nations never really looked out to solve the problems. Means whatever in Palestinian country was arising a problem, conflict issue. So only this United Nations did what separate this United Nation did separate. Okay. It always and as we are saying, situation of the situation of this person and situation of this person, what is what is going on. Okay, so it always wants the problem. They could have easily parted. The means the United Nations could have easily parted. Means to separate is easily. Okay, two more hard, maybe two more hard, but it's United Nations means at a global level. So in this matter, it's easy to part to separate. So they could means United Nations could have easily parted the country into two, as we discussed. What one for this types of people, one for this types of people, separated into two parts. But this is how they did, means United Nations did. This is how. Okay, they did the partition. The orange color is for these are types of people, as I said. What one side is for these types of people, and the other side is for this type of people. So in the map, if you will see what the orange color is highlighted, so the orange color is for this types of people, and the blue color whenever you will see on at a world map. Okay, so you will see what the orange color is highlighted. So orange color is area for these types of people, and the blue color is highlighted. So this it's area for this types of people, these people. Okay, I think means now, in my opinion, I am saying to you what I think they intentionally did, means United Nations intentionally did it this way, because the United Nations wanted them to fight with each other all the time. And as we are looking at the present situation and through historical situation, what these are two types of communities are fighting each other to your country, to your life. Okay, so here we only can say what work of role of United Nation. What this United Nation wanted them, means fight between to this communities, means what these two types of communities. Okay, all the time. We can say it was intentionally by the United Nations. Now, now question is who is going to take Jerusalem? Who is going to take Jerusalem? And here you will realize, you will see what the importance, you can say the importance, but one side you can say what it's a injustice, it's a injustice, and one side you will say, you can say what it's a justice, and other side you can say it's injustice. How? Let's see. But who is going to take Jerusalem? That's historical important for both person, Jewish and Muslims, and also for the Christian. Means you can say historical tells us what was you, what were you, and what were you today, what are you today, and what were you in historical. So historical through historically we can have proof, through proof we can prove at a global level. Okay, so that's historical important for both person, this types of person and this type of person. Also, this person, this person. Okay, historical important is for this person, Christian person. So the United Nations decided to keep Christian is what here, but who is going to take Jerusalem? So United Nations say what we have decided to keep Jerusalem under international control. Means whatever were ruling to this person, to this community as a unequally, as a discriminated, okay, as a tortured. So we can decide what is wrong, means it will be justice, then we can allow. Yeah, it's your work, it will be better to your country development. But if anything, any law, any matter in the Jerusalem place were arising is arising as unequally, as a discriminated, as a tortured, then United Nation can what can control? How United Nation can control? So it's a matter United Nation of United Nation. Okay. So what where we are clear? We were clear. So the United Nations decided to keep Jerusalem, means Jerusalem is clear under international control. But Jews accepted all the condition and formed their own country, Israel, in 1948. 1947, we were independence. Yeah, yeah, we were independence by the British. But here we are saying what Jerusalem place who was for Jewish person. So Jews accepted all the conditions because the Jews are taking under of international means through United Nations. But in the next slide, means in your opinion, you can say what through politically Israel stands right, but through historically Palestine stands right. Okay, because Israel are running through UNA at a global, and you saw what Jerusalem, the United Nations have decided to keep under international control, because this person was this with this person were treated as a unequally, as a discriminated, as a tortured, as a death. Okay. So, okay, international control. Jews accepted all the conditions and formed their own country. In Israel, country name was Israel, and country name is Israel, and country. Okay, next region, we don't know what will happen. What will happen? Okay, Israel in 1948, clear. But other side, Palestinian peoples, other side, Arab, this types of people were not happy. Okay. But other Arab countries were not happy with this condition. Okay, Jews accepted all this condition. Okay, but these types of person were not happy with this condition. Okay, this person wanted what to form your own country. Means this person were migrating. This person migrated in recent time. So it's our place, it's our land. So how we can settle this people, means Jewish people? How we can settle in our area? So through this point, this Arab people, okay, this types of people say what we are not you can say just what is satisfied. We are not satisfied with these conditions. Okay, with this, they felt, means this types of people, they felt that the entire place should belong to Arab Muslims. That the entire place should belong to the Arab Muslims and not to the people who migrated there very recently. No. Okay, no. Because we can say Jewish people stand right with the political. But these these people say whatever here are land, it's our land. So these people say what entire places should be belong to the us, to the us, not to the people who migrated recently here, very recently. So as soon as Israel was formed, as soon as Israel was forward in 1948, the neighboring Arab countries means the Arab countries was will be neighbor of Israel country. So the neighboring Arab countries, Egypt, Syria, and Jordan, along with the Palestine, waged war on Israel because this person, this person was not satisfied with this condition. So after some time, means just after some time, so you can say just a few months, 1 year. Okay. So with these communities, with these countries, Egypt, Syria, and Jordan, along with the Persian, waged war on Israel, and this is called the first Arab-Israel war of 1948. As we discussed, but in 1948, Israel country formed, okay, and after few months, waged through this minority, through this communities, waged war on Israel country after few months. And as we discuss through historically, through politically, then we see what this war happened. So in this war, this Israel won. This Israel won. Okay, that's it. Our topic, our explanation. That's it.